Hi guys, I'm Mia, trainer from AiHouse. Today, we will learn how to synchronize models between SketchUp and the free modeling in AiHouse. This lesson will demonstrate the entire process using a curved railing case. Now, let's enter the AiHouse design interface. As you can see, there is a house here, and we need to create an arc terrace with curved railings for this house. First, click Free Modeling and tick Full Space to enter the free modeling. These auxiliary lines are prepared to assist us with terrace drawing. Next, click Draw button in the top toolbar and select Arc. Click the start point and end point to draw an arc line. Then click Model Interconnection in the toolbar. After it shows connection successful, switch to SketchUp to check. You will find that only the house model is synchronized, while the arc line is not synced. Now return to AiHouse. Click Line under the Draw function, and draw a straight line connecting the same start and end points of arc line. You will see a terrace surface formed along the arc. Click Model Interconnection again. Once the connection successful prompt pops up, switch back to SketchUp. This time, the arc terrace model is fully synchronized. Next, hold the Control key and drag the left mouse button to select the arc line. Click Extensions and select the Railing Generation plugin. Set the railing height parameters and confirm. After the curved railing is successfully created in SketchUp, you can see that the same curved railing is automatically generated in the AiHouse design interface. This is all about the synchronized interconnection between SketchUp and AiHouse free modeling. Thanks for watching.